My dear friends, very often in life we may not see results immediately. We may pray, we may do all kind of penances, and we may wonder, why is the Lord not listening to us? But we see He is working in the background. Just as a seed requires to spend time in the ground so that it can then germinate with full force. Similarly, there are certain things in our lives which require time. And therefore, when we think that nothing is happening, that our prayers are not being heard, it is only the Lord giving us time to prepare well, to make us stronger, so that we can then come out with full confidence. Today's first reading emphasizes the fact that we need not only explain or spread the message of the Lord in words, but also in deeds. We see when Paul goes, he meets Aquila and Priscilla. And in spite of only preaching, we see that he also does his other activities. So therefore, preaching the word of God is not only from the pulpit, but also it should be through our actions, through our day-to-day dealings with one another. And my dear friends, Jesus also practiced this in his own life. If we wonder why Jesus was so popular among the locals, it was because he first and foremost simplified things, and secondly, because people saw it happening in his life. Unlike the scribes and the Pharisees who would only preach, Jesus was able to first practice and then preach. And therefore, my dear friends, Jesus today invites each and every one of us to put into practice his teachings so that by our actions, by our works, we may edify other people. And in the gospel, Jesus says that your sorrow will turn into joy. Yes, my dear friends, Jesus gives us the grace, he gives us the courage to face our challenges. And therefore, during the time where we find that there is inactivity in our lives, it is that time that we need to persevere. If we are strong during those moments, the Lord will definitely give us the grace to turn our sorrows into joy.